Dun, 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 dun. Here's our sneak peek into the future. We're making a DMP, digital motion picture, and what we're gonna do is make a Ludendorff bridge, trains, trucks, tanks, airplanes, rockets, anything, any vehicle you can think of that was involved with the project that happened around that thing, we're going to be working on it. So hold up with that car wash. Don't go running off right now. Rest yourselves. You look all tuckered out. So here we go. Well, folks, here we go again. It's time to try and learn how to do this piano thing. They think I know how I'm doing, but I really don't. So if there's an uh-oh or a boo-boo or oh no, just go to sleep. Sleep right through it and you won't even know it's there. Just wake up at the end of the video and press the like button. That's all you gotta do. Well, anyway, enough of this monologuing. Let me try and do something with these here piano keys. That's enough of that. Bandit, you did it again. Yep, that's real currency from Germany and United States from 1944 to give you an idea of the size of the models made from the sacred board pile that usually ends up in the Universal Archives located just outside your cities. Some say recycling. The suspension to the CCKW truck is next on the list of DMPs. I'd like to thank New Dimension Towers and everyone interested in my DMP, Digital Motion Pictures. And there it is.